In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the too many people using this feature error in CapCut. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an important video edit. But don't worry, by following a few simple steps, you'll be able to resolve the error and get back to creating amazing content in no time. CapCut is an incredible video editing tool, but like any app, it can occasionally run into issues. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know to fix this. If you're new to CapCut, make sure to check out the link in the description to download the app and create an account. First, we need to check your network settings. Open your device's network settings and navigate to the advanced network options. Here, locate the option for private DNS and toggle it off. If you're using a VPN, you'll want to disable it temporarily as well. This step is essential because CapCut servers need to verify your real connection location. A VPN or altered DNS can interfere with this process, causing the error. By turning these features off, you're ensuring that CapCut can properly communicate with its servers. Next, let's clear the CapCut app cache. Start by closing the CapCut app completely if it's running in the background, then go to your device's system settings and find the app list. Scroll through until you see CapCut and tap on it. Inside the app settings, you'll find an option to clear the cache. Tap that and you're good to go. This step won't delete your projects or any personal files. It simply removes temporary data that might be causing glitches. Think of it as giving the app a quick refresh to resolve any minor hiccups. Now, let's take a moment to verify your network connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or if you're already on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. For those using a router, you might want to check if any parental controls or security features are blocking CapCut. In some cases, adding CapCut to your router's safe list or allowed apps settings can solve the issue. A stable and unrestricted connection is crucial for CapCut to interact with its servers properly. If you've tried these steps and the error persists, it might not be on your end. Sometimes CapCut servers experience high traffic during peak usage times. In this case, the best thing to do is wait for about 10 to 30 minutes and try again. This gives the servers a chance to handle the load and process your request. It can be a little inconvenient, but patience is key here. Finally, ensure your CapCut app is up to date. Head over to the official CapCut website or your device's app store. Check if there's a newer version of the app available. If there is, download and install it. Updates often include fixes for server-related issues and can optimize the app's overall performance. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and improvements. And there you have it. By disabling private DNS and VPNs, clearing the app cache, verifying your network connection, waiting during peak server times, and keeping your app updated, you can resolve the too many people using this feature error in CapCut quickly and efficiently. If you have any other questions or run into a different issue, feel free to share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.